Bonjour Ratu. Good morning everyone. Today let us see the question answers of the first three lessons. Okay. So for the first lesson, if you refer your book PDF, questions are in page number 3 of your PDF. Here what I have done is I have written the question and the answer, and this side I have given the explanation in English. So what I want you to do is I want you to write it in your classwork as like how I have written here. So this side, left side fully French, right side fully the meaning for what I have written here. So for the examination, I want you to study in this way for your better understanding. And also for your examination, you need not write the translation part which I have given here. Okay, this is just for your understanding. So for the exam, I want you to write only the relevant answer for the question. Hope it is clear for you all. Okay, now let us move on to the questions. Shamala A. Sangeeta Sontel Wazin. Shamala and Sangeeta are neighbors. Wazin means neighbors. Neighbors. Okay. Then the answer for that is we also Wazin. Yes, we means yes. Yes, they are neighbors. Yes, they are neighbors. Yes, they are neighbors. Okay. So now I have given the answer here. Then est-ce qu'il y a un système d'alarme dans le meuble? So is there any alarm system in the building? Is there any alarm system in the building? A meuble means building. Immeuble means building. Yes, yes, we means yes, okay. Oui, il y a un bon système d'alarme dans le meuble. Bon system means good alarm system in the building. Good alarm system in the building. Okay, is there any alarm system in the building? Yes, there is a good alarm system in the building. Then, qui a conduit la voiture? Qui means who. A conduit means drove. La voiture means the car. Qui a conduit la voiture? Who drove the car? Un jeune homme a conduit la voiture. A young man. Jeune homme means young man. Jeune means young. Homme means man. Then, un jeune homme a conduit la voiture. Combien un jeune homme means an young man drove the car. An young man drove the car. That is what I have written here also. Then, combien de personnes y avait-il dans la scène d'accident? How many persons are there in the scene of accident? When the accident happened, how many persons were there? Il y avait 4 personnes. There were 4 persons in the scene. There were 4 persons while the accident happened. Who are those? Who are those? That policeman, witness, driver and a lady. Le gendarme. Gendarme means policeman. Le témoin. Témoin means witness. Le chauffeur means the driver. La dame means the woman. So all these are given in the dialogue. If you refer the PDF of your book, you can able to understand. So there are 4 persons in the scene. Then that is what I have written. There were 4 persons when this accident happened. Then, pourquoi le chauffeur veut-il partir? Why the driver wants to leave? Why the driver wants to leave? The driver wants to leave because. Parce que means because. Parce que means because il y a un rendez-vous important. Rendez-vous means meeting. Rendez-vous means meeting. Meeting Emporto means important meeting. Rendezvous means meeting. So always in French it will be vice versa. So because he had an important meeting. That is what is given here. Okay. So why the driver want to leave? The driver want to leave because he has an important meeting. Then second lesson, qui sont Sanjay et Vidya? Who are Sanjay and Vidya? Sanjay et Vidya sont des petits enfants de Monsieur Murthy et Madame Sunita. Qui means who? Who are Sanjay and Vidya? Sanjay and Vidya are the petit enfant. Petit enfant means grandchildren. Petit enfant means grandchildren. Children of Mr. and Mrs. Murthy. So Monsieur means sir. Madame means madam. Madame means madam. Sir Murthy and Madam Sunita. Okay, so Sanjay and Vidya are grandchildren of Mr. and Mrs. Murthy and Sunita. Then Café La Belle-Fille. What did the Belle-Fille? Belle-Fille means daughter-in-law. What did the daughter-in-law do? Belle-Fille means daughter-in-law. What did the daughter-in-law do? La Belle-Fille fait la cuisine en parlant au téléphone à sa famille. The daughter-in-law was doing cooking. Cuisine means cooking. En parlant means gerondif. En parlant is gerondif. While talking. While talking over phone to her family. To her family. Sa family means to her family. So, the daughter-in-law does cooking while speaking over phone to her family. Third one, comment étaient les jeunes d'autres sans ces gadgets techniques? D'autrefois, les jeunes étaient plus heureux et moins stressés sans ces gadgets. So, d'autrefois means olden days. Olden days, how was the people without these electronic or technical gadgets? Olden days, the people was more happy. Heureux means happy. Happy. And less. Moins means less. Less. Stress is stress. Stress without these gadgets. Qu'est-ce qui est arrivé à Monica? What happened to Monica? Monica s'est cassé les bras. Monica broken her arm. Bras means arm. Cassé means broken. Hope it is clear. Okay. Then fifth one. Où sont les amis? Where are the friends? Où sont les amis? Where are the friends? Les amis sont dans le rue. The friends are in the street. Rue means street. Ami means friends. So, the two friends in this dialogue met in the street. So, that is what they are saying. They are asking here. Now, let us move on to the third one. Third lesson. Pourquoi Sarita a-t-elle quitté Londres? Why did Sarita leave India? Okay. Why did she left India? It should be left here. Past tense. Why did she left India? She left India because she got job in États-Unis. États-Unis means USA, America. She went to USA for the work. That's why she left India. Hope it is clear. Okay, now, qui est Vijay? Who is Vijay? Vijay is the husband of Sarita. Vijay est le mari de Sarita. Mari means husband. Mari means husband. Who is Vijay? Vijay is the husband of Sarita. Then, où est-ce que les amis se trouvent? Where did the friends meet? Retrouve means meet. Where did the friends meet? The friends meet at a party, evening party or at a function. Where did the friends meet? The friends meet at a party. Then, pourquoi le client veut-il changer la chemise? The client, la cliente means client. La chemise means the shirt. The shirt. The client want to change the shirt because. Parce que means because. Because it is very tight. Trop serré means very tight. Very tight. Eighth hamper classic, and it is classic. Hope it is clear. And it is little classic. Why did the client want to change the dress? Change the shirt. Okay, shirt, it should be here. Shirt. The client want to change the shirt because it is very tight and a little what? Classic. Okay. Then, est-ce que l'on concerne un rabais? Did they give a discount? Concern or rabbi? Rabbi means discount. Yes, it is 30%. They gave 30%. Okay, we say 30%. We means yes. Say 30% means it is 30%. Did they give a discount? Yes, it is 30%. Hope it is clear for you all. Okay, now let us have a quick recap of all these three lessons. What is the first lesson is about? First lesson, there are two dialogues. One is about the theft, and the neighbors were discussing about the theft happened in the building. And second one is about an accident happened in the signal, in the carrefour signal. Then what is the second lesson? Second lesson, there are two dialogues. One is between Mr. Murthy and his wife Sunita regarding the electronic gadgets and people's addiction towards the electronic gadgets. Then the second dialogue is about two friends. They met in the street and they were discussing about the accident happened to the other one. Hope it is clear. Okay, now the second lesson, question and answers, is given in page number, questions are given in page number 12. First lesson, questions are given in page number 3. Okay, then third lesson, what is the third lesson? There are two dialogues even in the third lesson. What is it about? Is two classmates met in a party and they were discussing about them along with their husband. Une soirée. And the second one is in a shop. And the second one is dans un grand magasin. In a shop, a client is returning the shirt. It was bought a month before. Okay, so the reason why he is returning is it is very tight and little classic. That's why he is returning. So that is the discussion between client and the shopkeeper. Hope it is clear. So the questions for third lesson is given in page number 21. Please refer PDF given in page number 21 and then write question and answers like how I have written here in your classwork very neatly and submit it to me without fail. Hope it is clear for you all. Hope you are thorough with the first 3 lessons, question and answers and the dialogue translation. Okay. And then you can even refer the examples given for the grammar in order to choose the correct answer very well. Okay, grammar example as well as the dialogues fully. You have to be very thorough with the dialogues between whom the conversation is happening, and then if there any number like 30%, what is the size? 38 is my size, it is given here. What is the size? It is given in page number 20. So all these kind of numbers you should be very thorough. Number, date, and any place, all these you should be thorough. You can expect questions for sure from this. Hope you are clear. Merci, thank you, bonjourne. Bonjourne means have a nice day.